Good morning, guys. It is day 3 of our Disney vacation, and today we are headed to the Animal Kingdom. I'm going to try to get a lightning lane for what? It's so early for Flight of Passage, and we're not going to do Genie Plus today because I just don't really feel like it's worth it. The only thing we really care about going is I like literally just woke up. The only thing I really care about going on is the safari and maybe dinosaur. We'll see about Everest. I really don't love that ride. My friend does. It makes me kind of nauseous. I don't like that going backwards feeling. But anyway, we're not really stressing over it. So we're just gonna do the lightning lane today. And we have dinner reservations at Ohana tonight at the Polynesian, which is really exciting. I'm gonna see if we can maybe get into Trader Sam's. That would be fun. I have never been there. And then we're also going to try to catch the fireworks, the new Enchantment fireworks over at the Magic Kingdom after dinner. So that's today's game plan. It is about 6:45 in the morning. The Animal Kingdom opens up at 7 this morning, but since we had such a full day, if you watched yesterday, it was just, there was no way. We didn't get back here until 10 o'clock at night, and I was up at about 5:45 yesterday. So it was a long day. We did a lot of things. We went to 3 parks, and I don't mind arriving to Animal Kingdom at about hopefully 7:30, 8 o'clock for the official opening time. All right, no, the official opening time I think is 7. So we were gonna, we could as Disney Resort guests get there at 6:30, but no, no freaking way today. So I will see you guys at the Animal Kingdom. All right,
good morning.
Good morning. We are at Animal Kingdom. Not off to a good start today.
Missed the first bus by seconds.
Yeah, and then the next bus was like a half an hour later. So we're way late. There's already an 85-minute wait for the safari.
Pandora's closed.
Pandora's closed. So we're just heading to Dinosaur. We're not doing Genie Plus today, and we're just gonna see what happens.
Ordered our lunch already, though.
Yeah, we're definitely getting lunch at Satuli, so we know that much. So we'll do what we can do, see what we can see. It's all good, right?
Yep, it's great.
Can't complain. We're in Disney, and it's beautiful. The weather
gorgeous
today.
day.
So
breeze. We're cold, actually.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah.
And we have Ohana tonight, so that's gonna be, that's Jody's favorite,
pineapple
right?
drink coming.
Yes. So it's gonna be a good day. Only a 10-minute wait for Dinosaur. Not too bad.
Hey, up here! It's me, Bill Nye, the science guy.
Just mainly because I'm telling you they are, but they do have a jack and lacy pattern to the coat, so you help identify them.
So now we're at Satuli Canteen getting a very early lunch. We ended up only waiting a half an hour for the Kilimanjaro Safari, which was really good. We did the Gorilla Falls Trail. We got Dinosaur done, and then we might do the Navi River journey next, and Flight of Passage is still down. So I don't know that that's gonna happen for us today. But we're gonna have lunch here, and it's nice and quiet because it's like 10:30 in the morning. I always get the same thing when I come here, the blueberry cheesecake, I think that's what it is, and the cheeseburger pod, which is really good, and I get the kids meal because it's just the right size for me. are leaving the animal kingdom. It's not even 12 o'clock, I don't think.
But it's a gorgeous day.
It's beautiful, and we have like work to do and stuff. So we're gonna head back to the hotel.
Maybe hit the pool.
Maybe, because it is really nice now. And get ready for Ohana and maybe Trader Sam's. So still good stuff on the agenda.
We did enough.
We did, I had my fill.
Yeah.
We're back at the room because I actually have a little bit of work that I need to do for the travel agency, but a little bit of a rant. So yesterday we had housekeeping come last night just to bring us coffee and creamers because they didn't clean the room yesterday. And they said that I needed to request to have the room cleaned. It's not something that they'll do. So I asked them if they could come today because the room just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And apparently they're not going to clean your room unless you're staying at least 8 days. So once you're here 8 days, then they will come and change the linens and wipe things down. But they're not going to clean the bathroom. They're not going to do anything basically when they come in your room. They're just going to replace the towels and fill the coffee and creamers if you need it. And that's really it. They might wipe down the counter. But other than that, you know, that's still what's going on now. So just be aware. Because to me, I feel like that's very unsanitary, and I do bring like wipes and things to wipe things down, but I feel like we should have moved on from this at this point. I think it's time. And I've been to a lot of different resorts, and you guys know how much I love Disney. Obviously, I specialize in selling Disney vacations, but I think they really need to get on the ball and start cleaning resort rooms again, because that's ridiculous. And I even said to the girl, I'm like, that is so unsanitary that somebody needs to be here for 8 days before you'll clean the room. Like, that's gross. So anyway, that's my little rant. Still love Disney. Still, you know, reach out to me if you want to book a trip. But I am really hoping that that changes soon because it's completely unnecessary now. I know they have issues with staffing, but the rooms just need to be clean. Like, come on, it's getting ridiculous. So that's my little rant. I'm gonna get some work done, and then we're thinking about maybe heading to the pool because it's so nice out. And this is my outfit of the day, in case you're wondering. I got this shirt from Kohl's. It's so cute, and I just did like a little tie, and it's really adorable. So yeah, that's my Mickey shirt for today. We are now at the Polynesian.
Most beautiful resort.
It's very beautiful. This is one I never got to stay at before, and I really, really want to, especially now. We're just walking around and exploring. We put our name on the wait list for Trader Sam's. It's already 2 hours. What is it, like 3:45 in the afternoon?
Yep.
We have 5 o'clock reservations, so we're hoping we can sneak in before. If not, we'll try for after. If not, whatever.
You see everything, and you see everything from here.
Yes.
Space Mountain, the Contemporary, the Castle, Grand Floridian.
We'll show you guys. We'll do a little thing in a minute.
Nostalgic Disney.
I really
right?
I love this
It's like
resort.
this is the original Disney.
It is. This is one of this one and the Contemporary were the first 2 resorts, right? Built.
Yep.
So I'm excited to just check out the resort. So I'm kind of glad we have like a few minutes to explore. I want to check out the gift shop and just walk around and take in this beautiful view. We're going to try to get to Enchantment tonight, the fireworks show. I got my 50th shirt that I bought.
Oh, she's looking cute tonight.
I'm ready. I'm ready for the fireworks. So having a great time. Has this been like an amazing trip?
Yes.
We're only a couple days in. It's been amazing.
Yes.
The weather, like look at this weather.
The weather's amazing.
Oh.
It's not even humid.
Yeah.
Like our hair is fine.
Yes, I think April is a great time to come to Disney.
Definitely, and spring breakers are mostly gone. So
yeah, it's been so nice. All right, so we're gonna go explore. We'll show you guys around. So here is the view. So here's the Polynesian, and then the Grand Floridian, and then over there is Spaceship Earth. Oh no, not Spaceship Earth. Space Mountain.
that's close.
Yeah, I always get those two confused. The Contemporary, but when we walked in, we saw the castle.
Yeah.
So where's that?
It's straight ahead.
Oh, is it being blocked by this little awning thing here?
See it straight ahead.
Oh, there it is. You can see the top of it. But you have a better...
At the pool, you can see the whole thing.
Oh, so nice.
Try one before you go home. Lapa lapa.
It's gonna fall on the floor, did it?
No,
I'm
it
just
landed
kidding.
in my ice. Hey, you don't know about the 10-second rule?
Yeah. Can't beat the view for dinner tonight. so glad I knew you, Jody. We're getting all this VIP seating, you know?
So famous.
I know. I think we drank a little too much of the Lapu Lapu. I don't even know how to say it. Lapu Lapu. Is that what it's even called? We don't even know. It's strong. We have the pineapple bread pudding for dessert. It looks so good. And it's Jody's birthday, so to show you guys, we put this together for her. How cute is that? Okay, we made it to Trader Sam's just in time. Literally, we were finishing dessert and we got the notification that they were ready for us. So, it's very VIP.
2 shots of rum.
I feel like the last thing we need right now is another drink.
You think I can keep on this straight line until the beginning?
Yeah, good luck with that.
Just keep swimming, my friends. Just swimming.
Attention, Trader Sam's, attention! Thanks, I love attention. My friends here traveled from the far distant unknown land of Michigan. To get the cheekiest bar drinks possible, friends. 2 Bud Lights.
I don't know. But we're in Trader Sam's.
Yes, we're in Trader
Private
Sam's.
drinking club.
It is. It's very private here. I would have never seen this place in a million years.
No.
So we got the beer flight of Kona beer.
And it's on a cute little surfboard.
Yeah, it's on a cute little surfboard holder thingy. And we're so excited we got in. We didn't think we were going to make it here.
And they do funny things when you order certain drinks. It's like a show.
Yes. Every drink has like a whole big production, but not the beer.
No.
The beer doesn't have so much of a production.
No. But that's okay.
Yeah, it's alright. But we're having a good time here. It's super cute. I think it's worth it. If you can like get on the wait list, have dinner, and have it work out exactly perfectly like it did for us, so worth it.
Yep.
It's a good time.
Yep.
We are back at the Magic Kingdom for the fireworks. One of our favorites, Carousel of Progress.
And it was an immediate smash hit.
Are we the only ones here, Jody? Is it me and you? That was perfect.
4 of us, just one time.
Find our happily ever afters. Tonight, as we gather together under the spires of this majestic castle, our dreams ignite the magic to create a beacon, shine out, and celebrate 50 years of our most magical place on earth.
And how do we end our perfect Disney day? The whole of President's at 10 o'clock at night.
Oh my gosh. I'm pooped.
We're gonna make it.
The fireworks were awesome.
Amazing. They were so, okay, it's gonna start.
And 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation,